Chapter 2, number 26. The position versus time plot of a boat positioning itself next to a dock is shown in the figure below. Rank the 6 points indicated in the plot in order of increasing value of the velocity v, starting with the most negative. Indicate ties with an equal sign. So what we want to use here is the idea that on an xt graph, the velocity is the slope of the tangent line. So we'll just want to see what the slopes look like. So we have over here at A, that's the tangent line, horizontal. At B, it's horizontal. At D, it's horizontal. And at F, it's horizontal. But at C, the line is decreasing. And at E, the line is increasing. So the first thing we'll see is that A, B, D, and F are all going to be the same. So we're going to say something like A equals B equals D equals F. On the other hand, a decreasing line has a negative slope, so C is less than A, etc. And an increasing line has a positive slope, so E is greater than all the others. So we should get C is less than any of A, B, D, and F, which is less than C. It's important to know that these are actually quite special because these have a velocity which is 0 because it's a max or a min. And at a max or a min, the tangent line is horizontal, so the slope is 0.